Go ahead and start tapping on the side of your hand and repeat after me. Even though I'm just feeling so blah today. I feel so numb to everything. I don't even know what I'm feeling. I accept myself anyway. And even though I'm just feeling so blah today, feeling so numb to everything, I don't even know what I'm feeling, to be honest. But I accept myself anyway. And even though I don't even know what I'm feeling, I'm kind of feeling numb to everything, just feeling sort of blah, I accept myself anyway. Top of the head. I don't even know what I'm feeling right now. Eyebrow. Am I even feeling anything? Side of the eye. I'm feeling kind of blah. Under the eye. I'm feeling sort of numb to everything. Under the nose. Feeling so blah. Under the mouth. And I'm just giving myself permission to just notice this right now. Collarbone. All I have to do is just notice this feeling. This blah, numb feeling. I honestly don't even know what I'm feeling right now, or if I'm feeling anything. Good. Do finger points. I don't even know what I'm feeling right now. Index. I'm feeling kind of numb to everything around me. Middle finger. Feeling kind of blah. Pinky, just feeling so numb to everything. Side of the hand, I don't even know what I'm feeling. Back of the hand in that groove between the fourth and fifth fingers, I don't even know what I'm feeling. Feeling so blah. Just feeling numb to everything. Good. Top of the head, feeling so blah to everything. Eyebrow, I don't even know what I'm feeling right now. Side of the eye, all I have to do is just notice this. Under the eye, but if I had to guess, under the nose, the thing that would probably be contributing to me feeling this way would be, and you fill that in with what's true for you, what's coming up for you. Maybe that thing has something to do with why I feel this way. Maybe I'm feeling blah and numb because of that thing. I'm just noticing that. Maybe it's that thing that's contributing to me feeling this way. All I have to do is notice. Good. Go ahead and take a deep breath. And just relax. So I hope that little tapping sequence gave you some clarity on what you've been feeling. Maybe journal about what came up for you, or you can continue tapping if you got something specific during that tapping sequence that illuminated your emotional state. Okay? Keep tapping.